Hello everyone, I'm Akshay Shrivastava and I just want to inform you guys, finally I'm in United Kingdom and I'm here doing my masters in data analytics. And as you know, in the previous video I just told you guys, also got selected in the top MNCs like Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, and TCS. So I just refused the offer because it was always in my head ki I would do my masters from abroad universities. So what happened, during the COVID break now, I just searched about the various universities. Firstly, I searched about the Canadian universities, then Australian universities, and then UK universities. And then because of my budget, I finally decided ki I would go to UK for my masters. And so far the experience is so good, but yes, like coming from India, it's a very different atmosphere for the studies. As you all know, in India, we never do the referencing and all in our assignments and in presentation. But here what we have to do, we have to do the referencing after referencing, and in presentation as well as in assignments also. So yes, the experience is different, but it is so good. And currently I'm living in Birmingham, and my university is Aston University, and I'm doing data analytics from here. And so if you have any questions related to the data analytics, or if you are planning to move abroad for your higher studies, so like after this video now I will also mention my Instagram ID. So even you can text me, or you can text me there, and once I have the time I will check my Instagram and I will try to reply you as much as I can. And even below, like in the comment section, you can also tell me which topic you want from my side. I should make video on those topics. Okay, so you can also comment those topics. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe my channel and just press the like button. It will motivate me a lot. So, and yeah, so I just came here on 10th, and I have completed my quarantine period. So those who are coming to UK, and those who are planning to coming UK, and if you are and you can also, if you also face the quarantine situation, so it's my suggestion, please follow the rules very very strictly, because if you do not follow the rules here, and if you caught, you have to pay a very high penalty here. So it's my suggestion. It's not like a very huge task. You can easily do, like during your quarantine you can study, you can read the books, and even you can watch the YouTube videos, and you can also make a plan for your studies also. So the same thing actually I did in my quarantine. That's why I just I'm just telling you guys. And yeah, so once I will go to my university, and once I will go to the outside, like I just went to the supermarket for the grocery shopping and all. So what I will do, like if I have time, so I will make the videos of the Birmingham, and I will upload in my YouTube channel. And if you if you have any kind of problem with the content or anything, I will drop my email also. You can mail me regarding that. Yeah, so this is a very short video. I just want to give you an like a introduction ki, yeah, basically I'm in United Kingdom, and what I'm doing. And if you are really interested for your higher studies in UK, you can contact me, and I will try to guide you. And even I'm also a student representative in my university also. So if you are planning to move Aston, so yeah, so you can mail me, you can text me. I'm not sure ki right now I'm very very busy. I have the assignments, I have some deadlines, I have to do a lot of work. But once I free from that work, I will definitely reply you. So please guys, yeah. So if you are planning, just mail me, just text me, do not hesitate. And one thing I want to share with you, if you are really planning, so there are you will face a lot of challenges. Don't think it's a very easy journey. Okay, so just prepare mentally, and it will help you a lot. You will face a lot of things here. What you will think in India ki things will go very smoothly, uh, I don't think so it will go. But you have to be like, you are taking a very big step. You are coming to abroad, you have to do everything by yourself. You have to make your food, you have to, you have to buy the groceries, you have to study also. So there are lots of things. So yeah, so just be prepared mentally, and do not do not don't be nervous. And sometime you will also get the people who will discourage you. So please, if you want to study in abroad, just go and just give your best. Do not think about others, because if you don't do anything, people will say then also. And if you are doing anything, people will say then also. So there is no meaning. Just believe in yourself, because if you start believing in yourself now, nobody can stop you, and you will conquer all the battles of your life. So just make sure. And if you are thinking, like, if you want any kind of suggestion, please mail me, or please you can text me on Instagram, and I will reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for listening me, and have a nice day.